Hi guys. We are going to do an example of a cone with me with paper, since the video was kind of weird with the stencil. It didn't really work very well. So here I have the formula for the cone of volume. We need to identify what the radius is and what the height is. In this case, 7 is our height and 3 is our radius, because it only goes halfway through the circle. So I have V equals 1/3 pi. Then I need to put in my radius of 3, bring down that squared, times the height, which in this case is 7. Okay, let's go ahead and do this one at a time. We have 1/3 pi. 3 squared gives me 9 times 7. I have 1/3 pi. 9 times 7 is 63. Then I have 63 times 1/3. Notice how I put that in the calculator? I get 21. 21 pi. So 21 pi is approximately 21 times pi, 65.973. If I want to round to the nearest hundredth, the 3 tells the 7 to stay the same, so 65.97 centimeters cubed. What happens if I can use the calculator to just put this whole thing in? Let's try it. So I'm going to put everything in except for pi. 1/3 times 3 squared times 7. Look, it gives me 21. So I could have skipped that step, put that in, and I would have gone straight to here. So either way is fine with me today. Let's do one for spheres. Okay, so I need to identify what the radius is. In this case, I did not put a value for the radius, which we do need. So let's say that the radius is 6 inches. Okay, so bring that down. And then I need to substitute 6 into my formula for r. So I have 6 cubed, 4/3 pi, 6 cubed. So the way I put this in is 6. I press this one here, and then I put a 3. So I get 216. And then I need to multiply that. 216 times 4/3 gives me 288 pi. When I multiply that, I get 904.778. The 8 tells the 7 that to go up, so 904.78 inches cubed. Now, let's see what happens if I put all of this into the calculator. So, 4/3 times 6 to the 3rd power. And I still get 288. Okay, hopefully this was helpful. Let's go ahead and try to put it on Desmos. Let's go to Desmos. There's a fraction button right here. So then I can put 4/3 in. And now you have to press the arrow button over and multiply that times 6 to the 3rd power. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press this button here and then put 3 in, and that's how I can get that. So hopefully this helped.